స్టూడెంట్స్ ఈరోజు లిమిట్స్లో షార్ట్ కట్స్ చూద్దాం. ఈ సెట్స్ లిమిట్స్లో షార్ట్ కట్స్. లిమిట్ ఎక్స్ టెన్స్ టు 0 cos 8x minus cos 10x by x square is 18. Like that, limit x tends to 0 cos 25x minus cos 9x by x square is minus 272. How? This limit cos x, limit x tends to 0 cos ax minus cos bx by x square equal to b square minus a square by 2. Simply you can. These are like memorization. I don't like to memorize anything, but later I'll clearly explain how this will come. Now, limit x tends to 0, x plus 5 by x minus 1 whole power x equal to how much? E power 6. Can you? Whenever the x power x is comes, then e power. Simple, I'll write here. E power limit x tends to 0, x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus 1 into x. That's it. Just remember. Okay. So, if you use this one, then some calculations you have to calculate in your mind. So, e power exponential, e power limit x tends to 0, x plus 5 minus, this is minus 1, you can take the LCM. So, x plus 5 minus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x. Then you'll get this. So, x tends to infinity. That means by x. So, 1 minus 1 by x. 1 by x means 0. So, 6 by 1 is e power 6. That's it. Like that, do this calculation in your mind and finally do it. Just write it. Don't try to put the pen on the paper. It takes long time. So like that, whenever the x comes, simply e power, e netti మీద వేయడమే, e నెత్తి మీద వేసి minus 1, again this comes down, then you will get this. So like this. This is also same. I already told you that limit x tends to 0, a power x, limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x whole power 1 by x is, think e na, e power a. Okay, I show you 4 different important this one. Okay, okay, like that. This comes. Now take minus 1, take minus 1, take the LCM, and this will get, this you will get. Now minus 3 can be divided into a power x minus 1, b power x minus 1, c power x minus 1 by x into 1 by 3. These 3. Okay. Just a plus b by c equal to a by b plus b by c. No. A plus b by c equal to a by c plus b by c. This comes. Okay, like that. A power x minus 1 by x, b power x minus by x, c power x minus x. That means 1 by 3 e power. Limit this one. So log of a, log of b, log of c. These all are plus. So you know the logarithm property. Log a plus log b is log ab. Log a plus log b equal to log ab. So by using that, and also here so this is 1 by 3 na. So again x log a is equal to log a power x. So this 1 by 3 comes on to the power. So again I told you log of x equal to x. go to the logarithm fundamentals, both will cancel and you will get this finished. So like that, do yourself. All the best, boys and girls.